I'm feeling heavy and dragging myself to start my day, my job. Whatever I'm doing now in my job doesn't even excite me. I lost my motivation. Now, this is the question my client asked, reaching out to me for help, and she's not the only one that's facing this issue. It is a challenging period that 40% of my client is actually facing similar situation. They are really tired and so burnout. That is why I want to share my advice with you on what I had taught them, because it works magic. Hey there, it's JoHannah. Now there can be millions of reasons you lost your motivation. So when you are aware on what is going on, then next comes the answer more easily for you. For her case, and majority of them, they felt so tired, burnout. The effort that they put in just doesn't show results. The progress is too slow. Then how to snap yourself out of it and be back on track? Now this is something you can do. First, you want to revisit your goal, your plan, your purpose. Define your why. Why are you doing what you're doing? Is your goal or your mission matters to your heart? Is the big why big enough to you that is a do or die situation? Or just a tryout, or maybe just a hobby? Is it desperate enough for you to do it? If you're not able to answer the why or desperate enough with your mission, then you do want to rewrite your new mission or goal. In any of your goal, it should be something that you can visualize or imagine, like how my life will look like in the next 2 or 3 years if I continue to stay on the same path as now. Secondly, focus on the action and not results. Shift all your attention to the action and experience the process and the progress. Means be in the now rather than chasing for the outcome or results. When you keep chasing for results, that's where you get burnout. We are human. So when you shift your attention to the whole process, you are actually injecting fun in what you're doing. It's a playtime, not a job. When you label it as a job, it becomes a task. Boring. What's played such a big part in our brains, in our life, without you realizing it. Next, start the game rolling and let your motivation catch up with you. In short, take action today even if you lose it. It's okay. Now it is because action drives motivation instead of trying to motivate yourself. I shared with her that I commit myself to do a video of solutions, flexibility, business idea, one video per week, to serve all of you awesome ladies out here, even when I don't have time, but I just create time for it. Now this is because I promised myself, I commit, and I never question my mission or my goal. So it becomes enjoyable. Lastly, be patient. And remember, Hanging Garden of Babylon was not built overnight. It took 43 years. Now, if you are creating a mission, or let's make it more creative here. If your mission is to create a beautiful garden, then be patient to bloom this garden of yours. Having thought what type of plants, species, which of those plants are under the sun or not, what kind of fertilizer, the kind of concept that you want, the strategy, the look of the whole landscape you want to create or curate. Now, while doing that, you first must enjoy the whole process along the way, because it's your baby. You see, there is a hierarchy or pyramid on how to stay motivated. It's like an antenna of reception, fills you with energy. Whenever your battery is low, recharge it by going back in asking why you started this mission at the first place. So start flexing your muscle and the breakthrough will start coming in. And when it comes, it is like a miracle. Talk soon.